Your body. Downwind 5-10 meter. Before second time you downwind another 5-10 meter, then it's difficult to going back. So we have to constant. And how we go riding upwind, so on the way out. For example, I'm riding like this on the way, on this way, okay? So when you're really riding really good on the board, and now you have to get, when you have good power, and your heel side on the back foot, you edge in the board like this. If you edge more, you will slow down the speed, and then the board will go more angle to the right, and then you go again to the wind.
So it's not about the kite, it's about the board.
About the board, yes. Here, power. No fishing. Fishing, you just release the power. When you're riding, you have good power, you want to edge it on your left, pulling the bike. When you head a bit fast, push the bar away. Okay? Alright, now sit down, holding the kite there, and relax your body. You know, lift your body